Hello and welcome. So in this video I will discuss about the modes of an AIS. So first mode is the autonomous and the continuous mode, in which the AIS will automatically define its own reporting rate in accordance with the navigational mode and the speed and the course. Or you can say in autonomous mode the AIS will work as usual. So in this mode it will also select its own time slot, and this mode is generally used in all the areas. So the second mode is the assigned and controlled mode. In this mode, a competent authority, let's say a traffic control system, will remotely set the transmission interval, and the time slots for the vessel the time slots for sending the message will also remotely set. Then the reporting rate will not change. Reporting rate will not change, but the time slots will be set remotely. Then the last mode is the poled mode. So this is the mode which in this mode the AIS will automatically respond to the interrogation messages from a ship, or you can say from competent authority. The operation in the poled mode does not conflict with the other modes, which means that it will work separately.